On Saturday, we wanted to take advantage of the unseasonably warm temperatures and try to get a hike in. We knew storms were going to be rolling in later in the day, but we weren't going to let that deter us. But along the way, we found this roaring roadside falls near Otway, Ohio. So we decided to stop and check that out before we hit our first destination of the day. Hey, everybody.
Hey.
So we decided not to waste this unseasonably warm day and get out and do a hike. Going to be a short hike today. We are at the Petroglyphs Nature Preserve in Ray, Ohio. Man, it's super nice today. It's very windy, but unfortunately, there are storms coming.
Gonna get weather, for sure.
So we didn't want to drive too far or hike too long knowing that the storms are going to be rolling in. Didn't want to get caught in it, but it's so nice out temperature-wise. It would be crazy just to waste this day and be stuck inside. So we're going to check out this nature preserve. It's got pretty neat features. We'll show you what we see along the way. Stay with us. So just a few steps from the parking lot, there's this little shelter house. And the nature trail that we're going to go on goes right down that way. But since we're in here, we will show you this section where they have the petroglyphs preserved. And if you look down in here, might be hard to see. I'm kind of, oh, there, you can see better from the other side. Let me go to the other side. I'm pretty sure that the carving that says frog there is not one of the petroglyphs, but look at this face right here. I'm kind of getting it upside down, but, and you can see some other things over here. Kind of looks like a fish.
And bear paws.
And I'm not exactly sure what that thing is right there, but just an example of drawings made by Native Americans probably thousands of years ago. I don't think they actually have dated these, but pretty neat stuff. You're not going to find this anywhere in Ohio, except right here. So we did see a little sign that they think those petroglyphs are from roughly 1,000 years ago. So that's pretty wild that something like that didn't erode away and it still exists today where you can still see it. But we're going to work our way down this trail. It's a looping trail and it's actually less than a mile. So hopefully we'll see some cool stuff along the way. Stay with us. So just a few steps from the shelter house and the parking lot. You come down the trail and you come to this pretty neat little rock shelter and this little small waterfall. And it's just got like it's got a pretty good flow, but it's just like a little small beam of water that's coming down, but it's still pretty cool, pretty neat. So if you work your way down and cut across this little patch of water here, you can hit the waterfall from the other side. And you kind of see that it has like multiple levels where that water's coming down there. It's pretty neat. I'm betting like after a good rain that this has got really cool flow on it. It'll probably be really pretty to see. May definitely come back after this, after a good rainy day. But it's very beautiful. So you can tell from the video, it's started to sprinkle. It's starting to rain a little bit, but we're already part of the way into the hike, and it's not a long trail, so we figured why not? We'll just keep going. But you can kind of see like this nice little water cascade through here and the awesome rock walls that are down on the base of this trail. It's pretty neat so far. So we made it to the very base of the trail, and as soon as we did, the rain started coming. But luckily for us, there's a rock shelter like right over the top of our head. And it's kind of a neat area. Kind of looks like the water kind of carved out this little section next to this big rock wall. It reminds me a lot, if you've ever seen our video of the nature preserve called Chalet Naval or Chalet Navali. It's got a section like this close to its creek down there too. Very, very similar to that, but it's pretty neat. Very, very beautiful area. So when you come down to the bottom of this trail, you'll see that there's like a little water crossing right here. So just gotta be careful to get across. It could be a little slippery, but we hung out underneath this rock shelter for a few minutes, waiting for the rain to stop. So we're gonna work our way across and move further on down the trail. You can kind of see from the other side of the trail that we're on how cool this area is. It's got like a little itty bitty pillar down at the bottom there. I don't think that's big enough to be a true arch, but that might actually be the windows, as they call it. But look up there. There's a very cool, very large rock shelter. I don't think we're going to make it into that today, because the path that we would need to go on, we'd have to like actually go through the creek. So I think we're going to miss that today, but we're back here again. So I guess having that little storm helped us out a little bit, because walking on the backside of this trail, this waterfall's got pretty good flow on it, actually more than the first one that we saw. Pretty neat. There's some trees and stuff in the way, but still pretty neat to see. Wasn't expecting to have 2 today, so hey, that's a win. So the trail kind of winds you out this little bridge, and yet there is another waterfall right there, right next to the trail. Okay, if you watched the video, or the beginning of the video where we stopped at the waterfall, we've now looped all the way back around the trail, and we came back down, and you could see just how water dependent this waterfall is. We had a little storm that came through that we were underneath the rock shelter back there and waited it out, came back down. Now look at it. It's got a really great flow on it. Absolutely crazy. This goes to show you, it's like, this is a great place to catch after a good rainstorm. So we decided to work our way back down the trail to see if there's anything else that may have happened after the rainstorm. And this waterfall was not even here. There was nothing on it when we came through before. But the nice little rainstorm we got a good flow on it. Pretty neat. Hey everyone.
Hey.
So we just got done with a hike. Probably did about 8/10 of a mile. Not even a mile today, so this is a great short hike. But I cannot recommend Leo Petroglyphs enough if you can hit it after a rainstorm. Man, if you hit it after a rainstorm, there are so many waterfalls here, it's crazy. I mean, we thought maybe we would see 1, but we ended up seeing 4 or 5, and that was
there's a ton of them.
awesome. But Jeannie, what did you think?
Oh, I loved it. For a short hike, I mean, if you like us, we knew there's going to be weather coming in. Short hike, so you could do it, you could be out for a little bit anyway. And wet, because all these falls, I mean, there was tons. It was just really, really cool. And then after it rained, they got more active. It was pretty cool.
Definitely worth your time. Definitely worth seeing. If you want to do a good short hike in Ohio, man, you can't really beat Leo Petroglyphs.
Right.
But
Pretty cool.
That's going to do it for this adventure. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, get out and hike. Thanks, everyone. Have a great week.